Christ Presby Church. Our Kopone Kwapem. Date on the 9th day in the month of April 2023. Artist on bill. Hanamafo. Emi Newman. Kake Jr. A good year. Lady Franca. Noble Ketia. Ohima Esther. Kayo said there's going to be a lot of side attraction. MCs. The Boy and Pakwesia J. Adum Live Band. Epemai and Yum Te. Chumadi. Wapa so yasin. For numbers say this way. 0246 435565. 0246-435565. This program is being powered by Okumai 97.1 Radio and Okumai TV. Hey, Krista, sorry. Was sorry, my come on.
Make chamena siankasa.
Ready, asa, fatal.
Sweet in a cinnamon to blue.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer radio.
Okumai Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
Okumai Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
The holding is and then Molana also because of match. No Molana, idiot would have been Pempeswano at Agini Posua.
On Sunday, Santi Koto is playing against a team that sings its anthem from the past tense. Ours is a war song. Santi Koto say, yeah. You see the blood is sweat. And forever a porcupine, always an Santi Koto supporter. Last year they brought flowers. We are bringing trees, and whatever we have to do to ensure that House of Folk is defeated on Sunday, trust me. And that's why I have my cross in my pocket.
Pride, arrogance, share a hand time, and they kill House of Folk. Pride, any hand time, and then they kill House of Folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come low and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omoteno, high horse hono, baby omoteni brofa kese no mokaino. Supporters in Tiasia. When you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yen kamasem, ukamasem umwadie, yen criticize me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior, and you come House of Folk. Who did my team criticize House of Folk? Abba any do atemo. Who did my team criticize House of Folk? Abba yen criticize you. Are you God? That nobody can criticize you. Who criticizes us? And criticism, we are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
Na miniano memma menana no na ye no mozongo omunkai se ye bibia dise ahabaya kan o remember park anaji guru mi wafa anaji guru mi papa embo no ndi pamcho omuba omuntia o de place no o be fe omu no e che omuka o omuji wini mbono.
Are you for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Sorry.
Radio. Okuma Radio.
I said that death he died. He died to sin once for all. But the life he lives to God. In the same way, count yourselves dead to sin, but alive to God in Christ Jesus. Romans 8, and that's Romans 6:8-11. And then a Good Friday. Yes, the 7th April 2023. And then yes to Christo ewu ediama me enewu. And he said in Romans 6:8 I say that death he died. He died to sin once for all. But the life he lives to God. In the same way, count yourselves dead to sin, but alive to God in Christ Jesus. And say yes to Christ ewu ama me ne oyi. Kai na hu na hye so say wabewu edi age me ene wo nkwa. Ye boni nyina no wabewu edi apepa de afiri wo. Hi Okuma 97.1 Okuma Global Sports and Ayasiantana say a good year munsam yede ba. Yes, it's the edition of Okuma Global Sports. Good Friday. And bono don shiriba kope. Don shiriba kope ya. And you were yim. Jidi for ne Christopher you were yim. And you bono don shiriba kona ya sorry so. Ako ye no tutu ya ne adia. Say to me ne ye ndesi na so ye ne be ye no tutu ya ne adia. Etiano Pena Seka Sian confirm Obibia when you break your command radio 97.1. And then Samba Kumienu or Yebeshe, Yebekona man and Insamapa, the Fistam Yedebeba, Unu send MTN FA Cup El Hall. The Theater of Dreams and at 3 p.m. Ghana time. Dreams FC and Afin to Legon Cities Ababo. And a Good Friday game of hall. Dreams FC and Afin to Legon Cities. We a MTN FA Cup. Yebeshe ne Dimun Komo. Na koma odu akoso ya gudie mu so ya hwe na edi mu ama ne body aba. What said the national under 20 side and Man FM. And a coach Yusuf Bazigi what men name squad on also friendly match and preparation on also coach Yusuf Bazigi at men name squad. Every premier version of Finsuya to me at Dimu and Como Elfia. Na Asante Kodoko issues na Boba. Ani supporters ni bi kase board no ankebe ya ene na ne amponsa yenja no kwa okoroko instance ushan tokwa abakotoko munyina na dudu na free na ne amponsa ba board na kasa board no so say na ne ono de mama na akoso aye na dwuma na moment me wase abakodoko ne nyina na mpanfo ba betena se na afin so matuma ye ntwitwom no ma amape eye ne poma sibire enti kodoko nsam no enso edere ye be hwe na afin so yewuram ne yedi mu nkomo na me kan ne don hwere ba kope na say yewuram a ensam awdo na insera no so sa or journey live on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1 YouTube or Command Radio 97.1 Second producer here Kofi Anton Bafo and Kofi Okorachi man Ziggy Donzi Robia Sante Pasolo Paradise Omunya Bomechidom Se Tom Zioha Also Bama Chumedi and Etimako so come on But I'm on a name Basan Samanepa Eliana Messi Barcelona Amboa next week eko Barca and Penny for La Liga and Penny for better access in Konya Eddie afa ye Messi say ne obetumi aba na anaso ntumi mba Barca and La Liga for nyina kwa kwatena se ahwe say be possible ma Lionel Messi atumi asan aba anaso returning to Barca team na na nyere be wuram ne ahwe san komo no na club with fraud in komaba I say former Manchester United coach Ole Ghana social na omo hwe ni se papa no kwa kofa no wa be coach Club Brugge ni nyina nso ye be wuram na finsi atime dimu nkomo Tiano so I don't know Medina Kelvin Amponsaji from Akin so mejo so na bibia e kama anape maminchia mommy's joint. Yes, mommy's joint abnama anape maminchia o Oni adwuma efo ni nyina ogri michia anape michia mo papa mo ba adwuma se ene mo de se ne manye yi na mbaye Ziggy ambaye na mencha da mfa we but amubaye ma me hu ene no yesi ene Yesu kure gya na yahem Yesu awudi amaye de but ebe didi mommy's joint afuna mama no pay me chia o ye heavy pa hey mommy's joint o abna ma de heavy mommy ye heavy papa send ya DM say anemi ndidi ya me sorry super say me ba mama na minchi akosu ansano oni adwuma efo ni nyina no pe mi chia o titiru gifty na pe chwa gifty ma me high sa mienu na aka na o ma enanso mama abnani Lisa omo enjoy holidays no let them enjoy even a car as say cool or say let them boy enjoy omo enjoy I mean chia one in town so I in Rome I mean chia no one in town see heavy papa na oyene safari ana said nana safari fianko do na bomb na say adwuma wura yes adwuma wura incoming assemblyman ewo abuasaokrapman yes onwa bibi foforo bi abefa ncha ba bia no ma mfanto nchen eye adwuma wura ohene safari uba adwuma so far within the space of 1 month 45 street lights wa fix wa abuasaokrapman MC bia minim no e bo na chi am fix street light wo bia but ohene anaso ohene safari the space of 1 month I fix 45 street lights ewa abuasaokrapman when ni pa ye kan assembly a kire o se o koto aba na assembly election na ye se oyene saforia na ye se otomano adwuma wura ewa abuasaokrapman me so wa maka na omo so mo ba me se mum bi se omo blueprint ni dia we anya se o ye se ba ye si ba ku ye teacher ni nye teacher ni a ya so kire de obo no mo mode but the lecture area na den na wa ye ho And you need stuff for you and pay me chia. Oh boy, Juma papa. And so when some sorted the amount was so come man for security was so more modern said Bibiaba could come kind of more. Hini Safari over Jumeria and Paudino when I'm saying, and now that means that one I ofie Ofie because Ofie Penamo, Yera Samia Uku, no sound in Comachucha Coso, yes, connection or Sana Jumania no, oh, beauty connections. Ana Hano, a say, whom you know, who knows you, you know more, but many money Panugano anymore. It's a Jumaria Chess or no Nima Ofie Ofie Sunimo, it's a connection afar. It's all lobby granomre, such as here. So no nipa me kasa boaso kwa man for monto abanem fama no sabere no so a e kropon akwapem aboaso kwa man lecture area so bi obaba bia mo miza ne se ede na waye. That's the question. Ede enso no baba ye mo misa no se fi January last year be pem ne yehuna na aro yin Safari de January to December ye na wa boaso kwa man onim ye hawo bi ne e be dwan to ano no so aptimi aboa ye atwe na ma ade no tima ye 45 street lights in 1 month. And so Wakoja be go. We fix 45 street lights within 1 month. Say MC what you mean hani ya kano ya bonechi bobo ye street lights on fixing ya they one fix ya kwaji bi brand no still one fix it. Ya kan senate here. It's on your Safari and pay me chia. Boyjuma. Koso na boyjuma. See without fear and favor. Obey juma no. Ni aye ni your time akwa na mo ye ni your time akwa the people of Abuaso kwa man ni awo ye intera no so no meja no mato abade ama o mami chia na pay na me politics me sports but adwuma ni de onim ye na say onim ye Entino sani aya no sa Tom mama akwa ba say bibia kama
bibia boko
energy no from bom bibia fine
bibia gidi
fantastic and yesu awu ama awu ama yen papa ye gidi for no Christopher no sani e ka no
we the bloody week
me say Peter no nya ntwa so ne say mre na Judas mo ka sikasem no yes yes Judas but ama bi muso si afidi o matua e dey ama Judas say me man nko yi Yesu man but when Yesu man
Judas no so be to be that
apart from near na oya a movie a local movie Judas
any nickname any dey akasa
yeah but when you na man so a yenya nkwaje ntina me say we ase no me metinia bebre wa abrabo mu ye besi bia ye papa ubonyo ni besi bia ye se Judas ankoji Yesu ama ake yenya nkwaje ha ana na bonsam so nim se anka okun Yesu ama yenya nkwaje anka onye South Asia. Kabun samso ya ma Judas dede Judas ama na koyi Yesu ama me yakuna. Na go ni say Yesu be wu ama yenya nkwa. Anko nye. Nti bibie besi bia de na South Asia e kabra bono normal.
Ni awi be say nyame asem.
South Asia. Nti na Bible no say papa boni o yemfa se da ma no. Nti no bibia ye bia se mpom ye boko.
Bibia boko.
And madam de spring rolls ni buy. Can be ya me rough hands and
the crow ye we also the cop park so the
sir
PC
park no bobo bi o
sister square
for no younger so kwa ni older so kwa no ene na eba so oh okay and emegbu ewure mu ho na makotwe bi enti no say 3 pm Ghana ya match bi at 3 pm enti no ti younger so kwa ane older so kwa na square for na so ma ni na bana man kwa so atumpan yo mu grobo man yo mu bo ma bibia kama no young ones and old ones no ana ebo me who players ni bi wom na bi mu habo no huntumi mo e mu am ye oldies e mu ye oldies the way they young ni oldies na ebo e mu habo no huntumi mo but ni nyira ka mi na ma agro ni ye dem nti na 3 pm na wo ye PC park ho na be koso yi nya be kwa kohwe bi na ye but now holiday we kwan
superb ya
ujirem superb land ujirem fantastic na say na obejirem all black Akwaba night na ujirem na echena nso no artist and comedy night na kwesiada enso no time with the legends no ejirem that is bravo ujirem ntini ebe jirem but kwesiada nso no na Kristo sorry
Very good.
And also you be jam.
Gidi
Yes,
pa.
yes, see for
You
Kaiser,
jam
dear
Saturday,
Kaiser.
Monday.
Yes, yeah, the Kaiser, dear Kaiser, near the Yesu, the Yesu, the Sama
Sama
Yesu.
Yesu.
And you know, a bono highway and a bon hakaka, nice a balance. Now you be fine. It's in the question, Crystal, sorry, or the forecourt of the Christ Presby Church, you know, or Command Radio. Yes, yeah, the bar. Now I just said, no bowling Katia, yeah, my missing the Thompson, as we would sound up. And yeah, my Hannah Mafo. Yes, Samson, I about Stamunina, Ewuram, Parker Junior more. It's in a easy. Now, MC's not the boy. And a Parker CJ, there's some multi podium now. I say, be at them. I said, a drum live band. And a yedi room. I say, Crystal, sorry, Jimmy, you know. And so, but my man, there's some no baby. A channel. You room or Reginald's Hotel.
Giddy.
Reginald's Hotel. I know Easter on the Ridge with Reginald's Hotel. A channel. I know a channel barbecue night. Yes, our Reginald's Hotel. It's in a channel me no beko. Now I know so live band it pa. Our Reginald's Hotel.
Live band there obo.
Then dey me say maybe asin nyama ba ku mienu bi. And I maybe dey twitwa me ho. On a marco called Jollof. And so live
Jollof
band. Yes.
Jollof.
Yeah, we wuram na into channel barbecue night. Our Reginald's Hotel. Ni nyina say be wuram na ya hwe. Yeah. But and adwumadi star 787 a say be ko ni nyina na ska ni ye ho a. Enye start ya super bi na sika oni ho anye ye nti ne opese sika ba ho anya fi na okwa bra ko ye sisi a me no ka say obetume di sika sisi a 5,000 10,000 breakfast and so e wo ho na say chop money promo no en so ye di wuraw anope ya 500 Ghana cedis obetume di sisi a fa phone no but star 787 hash star 787 hash obope na e de wako anim na wako chusu option 1 no ya cho play now no chusu we pe na sande wako anim buy tickets na say ticket dudo bi apesa auto star 787 hash no betuma to say auto ba ko auto mienu auto miensa me no wanka meto edu koso to edu na akwenya se obi win 10,000 Ghana cedis na ya na e wosoro je no to e no na de wawuram na say onso wadi sika e de guboto na efiada enti na efiada 10,000 Ghana cedis anope obetuma di gidi enumere say 10,000 Ghana cedis obetuma onya hwe ufa phone na auto ticket na wadi 10,000 na anika sama wo ni say what ticket na wie no and anopa no na say chop money promo no ya cha 500 Ghana cedis
pe
ya cha 500 Ghana cedis fa na ko didi ansana o ticket na sande akoye draw na so akonya ba wonya 10,000 Ghana cedis ni ya start open day 500 yanka na no pe wo be sort baby girls no
fast
je 500 baby o de jina fa koto atare se na be ya akwaba night na se chana ko ibi shia o superb lounge o do mani wi am e chana na nkasa no and I said, then I sorted 500 a year. Say tickets and why I draw, which maybe need 5,000, 2,000, 10,000.
And so they are shown.
Uji 10,000 we are trying to work on superb. It's way. Now superb and the the crana. A channel jackpot so. A channel we are jackpot. 700,000 Ghana cedis. It is a member hit the jackpot now. And now Kwaba night me jam. A channel be jam superb. Be jam ga krama say about Reginald's Hotel. Asan be jenem sort as here it is me fear na me kwa na esan sama hit jackpot
bottom eye de
me bottom eye de it near star 787 as and I make for and so no etimedia ma entifa phone no na boss star 787 as na top ticket no wo do momo na beto to be a jackpot no wo akwenya se obi win 700,000 Ghana cedis anya kura na ye hu se wato ticket dodo no it mean 1,000 Ghana cedis 2,000 Ghana cedis e wo ticket dodo na wato ye no no say you talk but I'm far why you take jackpot now so I want to take a dodo be out to 200 cedis tickets now far it's 1,000 cedis you see fast castle 2,000 actually dey bibiri mobile phones it me chow ewo ntino obi amfa na unyim na Easter enye de emfama your Easter on the ridge with Ridge Nest your Easter wave with Superb Lounge Crystal sorry with Command Radio enti ba bia out me kokoji wani ni nyana sisi be ba ho ntini no ene ya star 787 as and I mean so no me kamfo atumi ede ama open chiremu bia na se ofre empanyifo na so no oji enchiremu enso no ewa ye star 787 as aso ye from 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 and 0272 636 448 and on WhatsApp and also WhatsApp here on SAP and so no ebe come na bibia and so no etimi ay kama and so no etimi ade amantino amanane sam no beba yentwa ye homra na afi so no amanane sam no and so no yemfa emremo
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! ¡Apago la luz y me voy! ¡Golazo! ¿Qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles?
Right, Okuma 97.1 and a pensi atena se samana nsam yenwuram na afenso no yemfa de ko enso ne yeba enfambro kan ketsi star 787 madama ana enso yewurama yese amana nsam no ano so no yere pa onim se ne no matches how do no ho na wachi wie ye ene matches be koso e wo Europe nti yenwuramu na afenso yemfa nsam ne nyina enfambra zigin so na boama je no dwumade no so atuma koso kama enso no atuma area ma Australia wo yewuramu de na Spanish La Liga ene match ba konso be to jam ewa emu samran so na nya senkuma 7 p.m. Ghana time no and it's Sevilla etnafio San Mames and so no na fenso no anso na Celta Vigo and so no etimi area boy na yes ne no aye Vicente Calderon yes ewuramu ho na Sevilla so na Celta Vigo they are boy 7 p.m. Italian Serie A Salernitana and fenso no Inter Milan at the boy 3 p.m. Ghana time San Lecce and Napoli about 5 p.m. AC Milan and Empoli and so about 7 p.m. emu sem nyina no yanso yede ba French League ano and Lens and afenso no Strasbourg about 7 p.m. Amun common so no yetumi dia tuja and so dem on Good Friday no matches na cross so and so na manania emu sem nyina yanso no yetumi ade ba yancham fofra and also na tuja yanso no yetumi ade ma etie for corner afenso no ukopia Manchester United akatia news na ba and no Brentford Ilian Marcus Rashford no and Man U force am na international afenso no contract extension no Brentford so tuma sign and so dem Manchester United bobo ko na so nsema abetoja emusem nyina so yede bana Paris Saint-Germain fakasa amusa Brentford Neymar da Silva dos Santos Junior no Brentford e plan adokra Brentford no inteni omo sheni se offer kese bi betuma ba and so dem Neymar and komuno beje na fenso meja Neymar mu no so tuma contain PSG for their tuja say no omo monitor Brentford din say in injury situation no say ne besi fa ko say Brentford beto akoso pro PSG akache dia enya wa say PSG for and so no beja Brentford ni Neymar mu no so akosi akai obobo ko fufuro mu and so no nsema etoja yanso ye dia mai tie for na onim say no ata ana ne Frank James Lampard so no ebe piemo Chelsea papa na be sign contract no and ma Chelsea till the end of the season na report na pa say no ada ko piemo come ya man say Brentford monitor training no na training na no monitor no na say ne need dia Brentford ni dia Mason Mount chi onu say Brentford Lampard no ono no promoting Mason Mount ni be piemo Chelsea senior side no or the year Juma pa Champions League as Brentford ye bogo so the match Chelsea and no ada training grounds no report ni to jwa say ne no Brentford ni din eye Frank Lampard no monitor Mason Mount situation now Chelsea training grounds ono so share him so weekend ono so be start Brentford ni dey Mason Mount so no Chelsea bobo ko no so nsema yadi tuja and so net media my tie for na Man U akachi biem no ono so Brentford Marcel Sabitzer oba no niam nchara mfama Brentford ni report ne pa at I'm trying at the end of the season no Brentford is returning to Bayern Munich na fenso na on so compare yemu foforo etima ye enso na tumi ade ama Bayern bobo kono enso ne nsema free Marcel Sabitzer kache ba yenso ye tumi ade ama etiefo na ene no ukopia ma Europa na se teams ne nso no omatumi ageni aya point zodo no anase sika dodo enso Champions League mu no and a report na ba se ukopia wo Europa 3 teams ne nso no omatumi nya sika papa Champions League no ma every last season ba na team ane no ni sika sama osoro enso no Champions League no mo enso na Real Madrid last season ba no Madrid nso no etima ane 133 million euros enso na wo Europe Champions League mu emu nsam yare pa Liverpool enso etima nya 119 million euros and so last season Champions League no more afe Bayern Munich and so to 109.6 million euros and so Champions League no more Amunsam no yanso yari tujwa enso na dem atie fontition so last season no obetim senya sika ye pa el Champions League no man say Real Madrid ono so nya 133.7 million euros Liverpool to so me no ono so nya 119.9 million euros Bayern Munich to so me senya 109.6 million euros so amunsam no yanso yari tujwa enso dem atie fo na ne no ukopiamu enso na otemfu from Brandon in the look show ni sanada mete ho de ma sa Brandon esane corner extension enso na de man you poboko no ane confirmation aba sa Brandon in the enso de look show no ono so extend no contract enso na de Manchester United team no enso no sema abeto twa yanso yatumi ade ma etiefo a enya semkuma na Paul Mason unso soccer pundit out Sky Sports wakasa say ne no ogidi sanka awura ne din enso no ade ye Grand Potter no ankobetumi replace ye Brendan Rodgers Leicester City in Tankabaya ne Leicester for enya internal fence so set Chelsea for your Grand Potter kwan no and come na fence no the Potter man no amonko fan na fence no meba juma enso mfama Leicester City bobo kora enso ne sema Paul Mason enso etumi ya tuja yanso no yetumi ya ma yetie fanya semkuma na Manchester United akache unu so ne ometuma be first team of the English Premier League no omo so etuma reach 1 million spectators this season tie ocha yeka 1 million spectators na say no fans no and as a supporters say no omutumi twa Man U games no this season no and Man U akwa first team our English Premier League this season almost to reach 1 million spectators this season emuso nkomo yare bana stay na tie Man U odi nkan enya 1.3 million spectators and almost show mo board this season West Ham etosumie no 936,874 spectators afi Arsenal etosumie nsanya 903,073 spectators afi Tottenham enso no etoso 863,151 Man City toso enum enya 744,720 Newcastle Wensia 731,395 na fenso Liverpool atoso enso amuzonya 691,946 spectators afinso no amushabo ewa the English Premier League ma emu nkomo so yare bana sana mekan ole Ghana social news ne pa go pim Belgium and club break and say club brute team no eso training so le so be pa na afinso be coach eye omutubo boko no enti ole Ghana social news ne pa say club brute for some monitor training so run the ole Ghana social team pim Belgium na afinso no wabe kochi aya club brute team na emunkoma nso no yare ebre o dwumadi no so na Barca for kasa ene Barca for den sam dia tujwa se ne no mu ko mia anasa mu kwa kwisia La Liga mpanyi for Javier Tebas mo na fenso mo ne o madin komo ajo said the return of Lionel Messi no and also be possible ede ma Barca team no and also ne sam tujwa yare ma sense Barca for chirema Messi no emsa still no mo nya mo pe intana mo kwa kwesi nkonya fi next week ajo said ne o mo La Liga for betuma wie na fenso the return of Lionel Messi no sa process no etuma sha said ama Barca team no and also ne sama etodwa yare ma na Marcelo Bielsa okay no enkane Leeds United wakochi aya Argentine national team no and the report ne ba say Uruguay fa confirm no so mo national team head coach etene Marcelo Bielsa enkane Leeds United head coach no ura no so kopie mu enso no ewa ye Uruguay ono so kwa kobo adwuma say head coach enso dem the Uruguay national team na emun come so no yanso yare bana Arsenal for City league no niama ko ye Anjana if you match league no next season amcho medifande etene no omope Brandon idin enso ne Jibril so ono enso a player from Eintracht Frankfurt and midfielder it's almost him say next summer no Brandon idin de Jibril so no from Eintracht Frankfurt no Arsenal for so mo ko na fenso ma ko just Brandon no omosan so betima kana emu nkomo nyina so no yare ma etiefo na Rodrigo unim say Madrid player no Brandon no name so pick knock against Barca El Copa del Rey ni mane Madrid for their tuja sa Brandon no asha say training almost him say weekend against Villarreal no Brandon Rodrigo Guas no obejram na fenso no what Messi akan e de ma Real Madrid bobo ko no ano so ne nsema etodwa yare ma etiefo na Rafael Leao unim so striker mapa enso de ma Association Calcio di Milan AC Milan team no Brandon enchane contract be kwa wieye ne no AC for their tuja saying a verbal agreement no and then so no omni branch Rafael Leao so wie e Milan Bobo Konuma almost sharing Mr. Branton contract extension no a branch Rafael Leao so no betima extend and so that to be Adiama AC Bobo Kono fear na copy say 2025 no a branch and the answer Rafael Leao no be extend the contract and so no Adiama AC Milan Bobo Kono Afibia no sharing Mr. 5 million euros no a branch Rafael Leao so betima che AC Bobo Konuma emu come so no yetumi Adiaba Jumedion Sona Basa say mona moka say ne ya tuton ye livers ne ade ya tuton ye japade Basa for confirm say they no amoso any ES Sports so to agree partnership deal and the Basa for the tuja say ne no amo full right say ne Basa matches no and so betuma koso kamino no ombe bana fin so no betuma best scan players no na say uche ES Sports e ban TV games amo dim huntintimanti Basa for say they no omni ES Sports so to agree partnership deal amo so say Basa no maba sponsor na fin so no Basa players no na say official announcement no of Barcelona players out kamino no ES Sports for na sponsor Basa for Senche in July no so announcement no so na fin confirmation of the deal no etimaba between Barca and fin so no ES Sports and one so no yedi tuja and so na dia my tie for medicine no minko piem Barca president Joan Laporta confirm say no or share him say no Barca president ni Jumeko ni na team no ba ko share the Spanish FA na fin so many UEFA for etmesia corruption won send some abo bare for Barca no allegations no and Barca for say omo ko na fin so the petition akojura ma o ye UEFA kache na fin so sometimes na man for kan and for Barca team no say ban corruption bribery and corruption no dream ni katasisa no Barca for bon all the far referees no Barca for say no kwa kucha UEFA petition pa omo de ko na fin so UEFA for ntwe na fin so response bia o no omo so no emfamran sem no do so na mo ne sene fata sawte no and an pay on Good Friday note no yen so no yatimi e dia brew en so no e dwumadie no so ye betwa en wapa ye pa na se efisam no so yatumi dia pa na afei ya bedi nkomo e ofie ye ntwa ho emra
Krista sorry oh Krista sorry
was sorry am I Krista sorry am I
last year na yo chat this year it's going to be a blast. Krista sorry second edition so on the 9th day in the month of Easter.
I say on the 9th of April 2023 a year Easter Sunday.
Yes, a year Easter Sunday. The second edition of the Krista sorry concert in the so live our forecourt of a Christ Presby Church. Our Kopone Kwapem date on the 9th day in the month of April 2023. Artist Ambio, Hanamafo, Emi Newman, Parker Jr. and Goodyear, Lady Franca, Noble Katia, Ohima Esther. Kayo said there's going to be a lot of side attraction. MCs, The Boy and Pakwesia J. Adum Live Band, Epemay and Yumte Tete. Chumadi, what was also your singer? For numbers say this way 0246 435565. 0246 435565. This program is being powered by Okumai 97.1 Radio and Okumai TV. Hey, Krista, sorry, oh, Krista, sorry. Was sorry, my come on, come on.
Make sure me Nancy Ankasa.
You may be asa, fatal. Krista, sorry, oh, Krista, sorry.
Was sorry am I Krista, sorry am I
last year, na yo chat. This year it's going to be a blast. Krista sorry second edition so on the 9th day in the month of Easter.
I say on the 9th of April 2023 a year Easter Sunday.
Yes, a year Easter Sunday. The second edition of the Krista sorry concert in the so live our forecourt of a Christ Presby Church. Our Kopone Kwapem date on the 9th day in the month of April 2023. Artist Ambio, Hanamafo, Emi Newman, Parker Jr. and Goodyear, Lady Franca. Franca, Noble Ketia, Ohima Esther. Kayo said there's going to be a lot of side attraction. MCs, The Boy, and Pakwesia J. Adum Live Band, Epemay and Yum Te. Chumadi, Wapaso Soya Singer, from numbers say this way 0246 435565. 0246 435565. This program is being powered by Okumai 97.1 Radio and Okumai TV. Hey, Krista, sorry. Was sorry, my come on.
Make sure Nancy Ankasa.
You may dear sir, fatal.
All right, and you know, Christo, sorry, was sorry, Eddie Amaya, and Kwesiada, 4 p.m., 4 Court of Christ Presby Church, or Command Radio, and so Eddie Christo, sorry, Jumedino, and so no, ba, and so no, Cropon. Last year, man, fe, day. I think see a twasso, am an day, to Bibia, Embra, Christ Presby Church, 4 Court to Enimwa. I saw them found, I saw baby Aqua, sorry, Ubibia, Embra, that feels of Command Radio, Christo, sorry, Jumedino, and also no. Yemfa embro sene akajum to forward on an ebepa Parkway Junior eba a good year ayem aba ayase ne no bapa estamo eba Samsona eneno yemame eye Cindy Thompson eba Emi Newman afei Noble in Ketia, yes, Noble in Ketia and sono ebeba and afei yemame Hannah Mafo last year someone said no be checky ground so no there's Tom last year exercise pa zigi there so nim. Last year, Mammy Hannah Mafu. Oh, ye money, ye dead. Oh, ye money, enyum. Not ye dear, sir. I mean, you saw the matter, sir.
Oh, Titifuni.
Yes. Enyum pa. Now, one woman said me, ye to me, booby. Ah, na, yeah, and Tina fee a bed dead into the Quasiada. Wapon, sorry, a beffy. Now, Christo, sorry, no. Now, it's a 1 year, and Mabus, and 4 more dear, we never relax, no. 9 pepe. 4 Court of Christ Presby Church. Presby anymore. Now, be banner your mountain stage, kakaka. Live band, Adum live band, Ejim, Nasa Jum to Fana Udrono.
Wadum.
Yes.
Live.
Yes. Ejim, near Bugum. Na, and you know, say, Ajum to Fana Bano, near Yinamiaye, Atun Tumno, Nabibia, and so no, at me, I come, and so their mind to be Amra, nothing so no, a Christa, sorry, Jumedino, and also no, Yamfa, and Merel, and so no, Ewo. Now, no one gets out, Titino.
Debut.
Oh dear, teacher for dear. Mumpe won.
What about you married?
Sam, then you want to cry dear. Okay, my memory yes, my memory now Noble in Ketia. I'm on phone was there and yeah, good day. Yep, what did you you know, I don't know. I saw yeah, you know. I'm sure share no. Aha, now me bona my phone say, I don't know. Okay. Mami share we crown so na me share say, I no crown so the demand say no bowling ketia. Ya the ne banner say bibi answer no. Bibia okay. Okay. There's a name no the doors. Nenyo no doors papa. Nenyo no the doors. And you know, okay. We crown so we see an idea. There's Ziggy. And you know one idea a doors papa. A doors and you know, Monshana, Monfabin, and nobody gets the other Nenyo Dawson. And you know, okay. Mami movie.
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio.
Mama mumra mete, awa wasami. Maka koja berma, wawa fubi. Berma na.
Okomai Radio.
Krista, sorry, Krista, sorry, Krista, sorry, Krista, sorry.
Hantino say Tom na say no bowling ketiano no on say yes
no
voice ni ya my baby show very man who afu bi very man ya friend we yesu na say me kwasi ade am say me hu bi papa me hu bi papa na say ya mami Cindy Thompson su jirem so ti ase ya mami Cindy yes ya mami Cindy Thompson so ejirema ya say ono zo no be ba na say obeboa amadwumedie no enso etumi akoso papa nti na artist ne de dudo na ana beba artist no dudo na ana beba na omaba beboa amadwumedie na akoso na yeyi nyame a nti no okay mama nhwe ni say na fast na wa ne de yeah na nti no okay mama nhwe we say na ya mama Cindy Thompson so no yam fani de ntumti enti ya mama Cindy Thompson kakra enti ne kakra
Krista, sorry. Say Tom say mama Cindy Thompson no but na manfo de be hu ni ye pa no we na manfo nzo ehu we zetie Krista, sorry, Krista, sorry, Krista, sorry,
sorry am I?
Krista, sorry, Krista, sorry,
sorry am I?
Krista, sorry, Krista, sorry.
Oh no, kuna asaye ao mekura inyamia ye.
Okomai Radio.
Oh no, kuna osena si ao mekura inyamia ye. Oh no, kuna asaye ao mekura inyamia ye. Oh no, kuna osena
sorry am I? Sorry am I?
Batampa na yemu ye kasi. Oh no, na wa mayenya kwaji. Mobro ufueja ogare ni hoti sodo. Oh no, kuna osaye hi. Oyo batampa na yemu ye kasi. Oh no, na wa mayenya kwaji. Mobro ufueja ogare ni hoti sodo. Oh no, kuna osaye hi.
Okomai Radio.
Krista, sorry, Krista, sorry.
Sorry am I? Krista, sorry am I?
Say Tom say ya mama Cindy Thompson no Nti no kwasi ada de
I can't pa children's day.
Yeah, we heavy papa. Ebe kai wo. Nti no kwasi ada no de enye easy kura nti no obi amra na say obi ameboa na say yen tuntum Nyankopɔn yen da na se yen na ye na yen kanfo ne din no na waye bi e de amaye wasɔre nso a na say wasɔre nso e de amaye nti no no nso no yen na anase ye maame hana mafo de say obi anim no onze obi anim no ye maame hana mafo de ye maame ba ko pe onze ono de oye heavy papa me say last year sa odi edi na say anodin papa na ono de ujirane na so papa na nya be pam e be dimu nkomo na manfo so ehu se na adwumadi no so 85 enti no na say ano so no Jatom ze some said 1 hour pe na ko am za so anesa and then the za na be here na no ka issue akumienu abakamu na
Morino asem na
yes Jose Mourinho issue no yes
oko Saudi for ne pen
Saudi for ne pen you know kan kakra so Roma for no former Roma player Alexander Casano they have bought Mourinho echi say the style of coaching dey atwam who game papa bi obo e wo ye
Saudi for one person who changing the face of their game and our football so person changing the face of the game esa o tuska egum ti wo hwe PSG Saudi for one be fire na omo diska omo investi wom omo to Thiago Silva Ibrahimovic Edudo ma kofa Neymar Mbappe mo recently omo fa Messi the football no o person like face of the your game ni change ya you have to pump money on the game. We had the 50th now, 90s now. Spanish league dominate, to be specific, na Madrid dominate pa. Inti Oshaya Italian league, you know, the likes of Napoli, Mone, AC Milan, Edisca Rem, Ecofa, Maradona, Mumbai. League in this sign the face of the league change until we had Nancy Chinese league started komuyebi awomokofa Oscar from Chelsea and Paulino from Barcelona but omo intimi but recently the World Cup on the course Asia country ono Saudi for no omo say omo invest omo sika uma in their league like they will profit, they will benefit. Nti kofa Cristiano Ronaldo, a free player, free Manchester United. Now help Ronaldo, big player. O share Twitter, o share Facebook. Ronaldo is selling their game. Nti who say, omenye obi wo field ne so dia. Eso omenye obi so bench line wo. E man so sell omo league no. Na omo boru so omo pay Mourinho for 120 million euros. Nti Omako Mourinho ho so omo pen say omo league no he should be the face coach for the team. Nti Osha omo league no e say Ronaldo nti animunyam bem obi beka say Mourinho there he is a cake we twem bibisa ba Mourinho yenim no say Mourinho EPL be fin La Liga be fin because of his controversial at the bench. Until Mourinho or the neighbor, Mourinho will sell their league for them, boss.
Okay, I say Ocean say Mourinho be wurem e wo ye Saudi ho on na
just quite be one league in the
sure.
To sell their league.
Yeah, sure. And FA Cup matches or MTN FA Cup matches or I mean wurem na and so yeah, okay. I mean wurem MTN FA Cup no. Matches up and also no Urbana Yanche. And I Dreams FC and I feel so no Legon Cities and I bought our dew I say you know 3 p.m. and as I game no and so no Ebeko so na Sansona Echena RTU and then Sotraman Ebebo our Liu Mama Sports Stadium and it's 6:45. Sansona Kwesiada Sky FC and in Ebusunya Dwarfs. And I feel so no Ken Faisal and Adriana Stars. Yes, Adriana Stars be bought kwesi 3 p.m. Dr. Kwame Sports Complex. Into a Dreams FC and Legon Cities and ne the Theatre of Dreams to be on Konon Kochebi 3 p.m. as I give about searching out to you and then Suatra man. Afe Kwesiada Sky FC near Busuan Doves and Afe Suken Faisal and so a year Adriana Stars and a Omobebo inti and also na Washen and so no etumi Eddie Amaye and you know everybody na ako Ziggy Yabeko but Sunny Adena no mama for pay Cindy Thompson, your name say, I almost the pa, one don't know. Once and I must sign out 20. I mean, feel like a crangazana, a nice song of Papa, nice song of Papa. Na, mean, feeling like a cran's and I'm going to send a kind of crystal, sorry, any dear, a womb Papa, and Biamra, na, or may enjoy crystal, sorry, Jimmy Dino, and so now the forecourt of the Christ Presby Church. Na also near cop and nearby. See, Crystal, sorry, and so no to me, dear ma, men so menel, and no, biambra, na, boom, na fin so no, yenji, yan copom, and sunidino, aye, na bibia, and ya kama, and fama, men so menel, and no, Cindy Thompson, no mono, is a young man for a day. A man for a day, no man for no was in Niagara, intino, in Tantimubium, no man for.
Senyor Sunya Sassing Tenwarino, Saran away me from Sunny Narefio. Yanuma, the Shimocha, Finiki Gabianiwo. Nonna, a mamma deepim, which I name and tea may wayata. Mesha when you're yam, Namakanyo Mochani to me no, I am mammy.
Crystal, sorry, Crystal, sorry, am I? Crystal, sorry, am I? Last year, this year is going to be a blast. Crystal Sorry, second edition Baso on the 9th day in the month of Easter.
I say on the 9th of April 2023, a year Easter Sunday.
Yes, a year Easter Sunday. The second edition of the Crystal Sorry concert in Baso live. Our forecourt of a Christ Presby Church. Our Kopone Kwapem. Date you know on the 9th day in the month of April 2023. Artist on bill. Hannah Manfo, Emi Newman, Kake Jr., a good year. Lady Franca, Noble Ketia, Ohima Esther. Kayo said there's going to be a lot of side attraction. MCs, The Boy, and Parkwasia J. Adum Live Band, Epemay and Yum Te. Chumadi, what was also your singer? For numbers, say this way 0246 435565. 0246 435565. This program is being powered by Okumai 97.1 Radio and Okumai TV. Hey, Krista, sorry, sorry. Was sorry, my come on.
Make Chamena Siankasa.
You my dear sir, a fatal.
Okay, and also Mami Cindy Thompson, Kwasiada, the forecourt of the Christ Presby Church, Okuman Radio, Crystal, sorry, Jumedino, Yansono, Yetimi, Eddie, Eba, our Honu, to be Ambra, a free, way, Zimbana Dama, yes, we win, Woody, my free. Tienso was sorry, there, no, says, yes, Yansu, Tontum, Yina, Entino, a free, Biambra, our Christ Presby Church, our Cropon, Equapumi, anymore. Na just a bibia and so no anyaka me baby girls na mo ya na when are you taking me out no out na na Crystal sorry no out in be and we saying yesu kwaje ni wo no sorry you know what we time say this time me do kwa Crystal sorry see me do kwa sorry you know I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm brigo pet. Never who say I'm passing at here now. Just a ticket to my city amount. I baby, I'm Brabant here. Born here in Yaminam. Into the baby. Yeah, the used to the used to near the Kaiser Diamano. Kaiser Diamano. Yes, time for everything. It's the enemy sequence that a many brisam. Do your baby gonna me invite? So Brian Qua sorry. Now you brigo beer. I swear she. I no. But I'm in fact with chum. Any brassam with him. Any brassam. I'm the chum. Mommy's joint. Abrahama. I say. And then answer. On send one yeah, renovation and chair to high fit. Now renovation or yeah, no. The name was see or the lights up for anymore. Let's see, do an general swap. Let's say, oh, why come up brighter no. Light no the fair anymore. Obiaquaco, Giang lightning in the floor. Oh, and so I could Obiaco ya. Eddie, I'm sending Pacono on time famra. Masa, yes, Fabra, we Nanti, Ocha Mammy brought bread a crop and alpa. Not yes, Caddy says, on a say, but now I did not just a water. No, I could eat it for all the way. Mamma say, yes, we would the idea born. Oh, some Mamma say, now what tobacco. One back of Fabra. Now what tobacco, Fabra. Yenny in Bay, see about police station, see about Bompire Goose, near any in Bay. Now what tobacco, I'm funny say mistakenly. Sign Fabra. O dia mem we anajo Fabio go adebechi na iguo ye be serew wa onim se light mama dey decorating anim ho kama mommy joint wo bedu ona mommy joint igbo na light so ma na ye fe wa be yi no be serew fa na fakọ eni bra asem na ye ka no mama na ni abre ka wa bo no anye ka ketwa 1 week dey hwe you me na nze na me nko zan se me se wa boka dodo ntini me kosi fi ade obeje wo ho ntino wa boka enti mama embre ni moje oba besia ye bebi etra me ye didi say na jese wo kwa yi efi e ka san ya enti ne no amemra akwa wa wakwa yi no wonim se wakwa yi mama ne light di efi wa sang fabra mama wa bre o so ma na wo twe ba ko wan fam ba wonim na mo betu na wo twe ba ko ene efida uyi ni wukudan digi say wukuda then 3 days Wednesday no year. As a mama na upon an adjun course. On na adjun also no na adjun course. It's a name. Fana Fabra. Lights na ku mama. Anya ode. Fabra, you are my okra. San Fabra. Nti mama joint. Sine ni abere. Wa be yi ni light when ni mo na odi sisi ho ma ho ye fe no. Wa be wia. Fana Fabra. Ensa na wachu ba ku pepepe. Oni mana mo a obetu. Nti anu so no. Mi so kwa ade mi chikra kron. Yeah, me chikra. Enya fine. Ti anu so no. Yebeko. No. Ye me dia krono dia nsem fata. Yebeko. Krono dia nsem fata. Nti anu so no. Eni abere, me am support mama. Eni abere, pa eni yebebo agu so. Police station yebeko anamo be betu. Chi na Fabra 1 week Fabra. Eni bra sem. No. Yebeko Ziggy. As usual. So me say Friday edition. But me your birthday wishy. Na menko inti zigi message on area to so Facebook for na ba more messages so amen kan feel on in ya emfama Facebook for no am dey see omo konto kwa ho no Facebook for no enti no ma and happy birthday in confirm Porsche. Yes, Porsche and that's so kama no my classmate pa and then birthday it's in a Porsche. Happy birthday and confirm sweet Porsche sa na my friend until Porsche Porsche happy birthday pa enko emfama oye my mate ewe British Tech 2014 badge no and your birthday it's happy birthday and confirm anya kupon sha papa na onye okese onye mfi adumu enko adumu eneni wuo no enye nhua emfa emao nhua morso ana mehwehwe enso de ma Porsche happy birthday enko emfa emao yerebesi na yako ambo yebeba ebnada ebnada china mimma no china mimma zigi china mimma ebnada ana emeba enti no ekwa yambo ebnada ana ebeba but yinshia Crystal sorry jumedi no kwasi ada Crystal sorry yinshia 4 p.m. the forecourt in the Christ Presby Church na Command Radio and wunyina nkambo de ntontom yakopon yina ye ma mi Cindy Thompson Hanama fu no ball nketia omunyina beba ye yinyame enso aye so na ye Easter on a Reginus Hotel echina barbecue night no iwuram so na ne akwaba night ye Superb Lounge eno so iwuram dini nyina na Easter dia be butu e opepo iso but say na me kan mama joint ade no wa ko wia mama the lights no e wo mama joint sign fa na fa ko yo obi ka sem no ye yo a e say ohun your patchere yo edbc executive producer you Kofi Anton ba for Samson and Nana Kofi Okori Achiman Ziggy or heavy Samson and Donsi umunyana boy Nana Kwame Perry e boy Pasolo Paradise Kobe Asante say Tom Ajopokia e wonam edini ya Kelvin Amponsedi amboa Tuesday anameba me person why Tuesday nameba yenye piebese yenye persons enti anonso no yede nyame jam yakopon wuo ene ne story mu Yesu wuo ne story mu enye nhyira emfa mawo ene wabusia ensa kire ne amane so emfa mawo emma wadwuma enkoso wa woni adwuma no so Yesu ne wuo ne story embie kwan enso no emfa mawo nyanya baby pa FSC yakopon wuo anase Yesu wuo enye nhyira emfa mawo bye bye.
Crystal sorry.
Was sorry am I? Crystal sorry am I?